Hey guys, so today I participated in the competition and in the speed cubing unlocked cube ladder competition of 10.0. That's what it's called. And so yeah, in for the unverified results, I got in 7th place, and I'm just doing solves. For I only did 2 by 2 because that's the only good I am. And the first solve was not that bad, but it was 3.31, which is okay. I mean, it's not the worst. And then I'm just typing in the scores on the laptop right now and going to the next scramble. It is going to be like this. So second scramble was kind of easy. The face was also very easy to recognize, and I got a 2.32. That's why it was very good. And then I'm just typing in the scores again. And then doing the third scramble. There are 5 scrambles on this, and I'll start it. Okay, now inspecting. And I got a 2.98, which is okay. I mean, it's not the worst. It's okay. I wouldn't say it's bad. I usually average around 3 seconds, so this is okay for me. And again, I'm just typing in the scores and waiting for the next scramble to show up. And the next scramble is going to be the 4th scramble. So yeah. So third scramble was not that bad either. I mean the 4th scramble. This is the 4th scramble. Got a 3.30. That's okay. Again, I told you that I average around 3 seconds, so this is okay for me. And let's go to the next scramble. Last scramble, and I think this is gonna be a very good scramble for me because the face was kind of easy. I was very confident about this scramble, and then I got a 2.61, which is very nice. So hope you guys like this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys all next time, and be sure to hit all of my shorts video, and I'll see you guys next time.